What are you doing?
Huh?
You don't put shoes in the dryer.
My shoes.
You don't put those in the dryer, dude.
Huh?
It'll ruin them. Do you want good shoes?
Yes.
You put this stuff in the dryer. Oops.
But
Put that stuff in the dryer. Those. No. Get it out.
My shoes.
Get it out.
But
Now, close it, okay? And you're gonna have it on a time to dry around 50 minutes, okay? Okay?
yeah, but how would I
See?
turn it on?
On. Boom, you push this. Okay?
Special message directed by Learn from Others. Best way to learn is by learning from others.